Your eyes see the fall. Your brain screams, catch it. Your hands move, but not fast enough. That half-second delay is your central nervous system decaying. It is the difference between grabbing a handrail and shattering your jaw. Let's test your cognitive motor link right now. Go grab a standard 12-inch ruler and a partner. Hold your hand open, thumb and fingers apart. Have your partner hold the ruler vertically so the bottom edge is exactly between your fingers. Without warning, they drop it. You catch it. Do not guess. Just react. 3, 2, 1. If you caught it past the 8-inch mark, or if it hit the floor, your neurological reaction time is critically slow. You are an extreme fall risk, but neuroplasticity is real. You can rebuild these reflexes. If you failed this test, I built a free 7-day independence protocol to help you rebuild your reaction time. The link is in my bio. Go download it right now. If you don't see it in 60 seconds, check your spam folder.